Welcome to 21OED0 for augmented reality and virtual reality practical exercises.
A game engine is a software framework primarily designed for the development of video games and generally includes relevant libraries and support programs such as a level editor. The first exercise is study of different game engine. First tool is Blender. To know more about Blender, go to blender.org webpage or type Blender in Google. Blender is a free and open-source 3D computer graphics software tool set that runs on Windows. Also supports Mac OS, BSD, Haiku, IRIX, and Linux. It is used for creating animated films, visual effects, art, 3D printed models, motion graphics, interactive 3D applications, virtual reality, and, formerly, video games. Blender has support for a variety of geometric primitives, including polygon meshes, Bezier curves, NURBS surfaces, metaballs, icospheres, text, and an n-gon modeling system called bmesh. There is also an advanced polygonal modeling system which can be accessed through an edit mode. It supports features such as extrusion, beveling, and subdividing. Second tool is BuildBox. Type BuildBox in Google. Go to www.buildbox.com web link. BuildBox is a no-code development platform focused on game creation without programming, coding, or scripting. The core audience for the software is entrepreneurs, designers, and other gaming enthusiasts without prior game development or coding knowledge. BuildBox was founded by Trey Smith in August 2014 with the goal to democratize game development and create a way for anyone to be able to create video games without having to code. It is a cross-platform development tool that can be run on both Windows operating system and OS X. Primarily used to create mobile apps, BuildBox exports finalized games to iOS, Android, Amazon mobile devices, Amazon TV, Mac, PC, and Steam. One of the main advantages of the app is the creator menu where person can create the skeleton of the game. Then the user can change or edit the character or multiple characters from the character settings, edit or change environmental settings, gravity, friction, create multiple worlds and levels, create a coin system, power-ups, checkpoints, change the user interface and buttons with node editor menu, animate objects, create banner and video ads, export for different platforms with one click, store the source code and edit character and object components. Third tool is Cave Game Engine. Cave Engine is a simple 3D desktop game engine scriptable in Python. You can use Cave Game Engine to make any type of games you want and release them commercially. Cave Engine 0.9.8 Pro is available to all the shaded level patrons. You can make a game with Cave Engine tutorial. Fourth tool is Coco's Creator. Coco's creator is more than an efficient, lightweight, open-source, cross-platform graphics engine. It's also a platform to create 3D content in real time. It is not only flawless for 2D and 3D game development, it also provides integral solutions for automotive, XR, metaverse and education. Founded in 2011, Xiaomenyaji has become the world's leading platform for digital interactive content development. The company's core product, Coco's Engine, is being used by more than 1.7 million developers in the fields of 2D and 3D games, digital assets, online education, e-commerce display, HMI and XR, with a coverage of 203 territories and reaching more than 2 billion end users. Fifth tool is CopperCube. Create everything from simple model viewers to full 3D games. With just a few clicks, you can create games and apps without programming. CopperCube is a full-featured 3D game engine. Create 3D games and apps quickly. Includes terrain editor, low-poly modeling tools, 3D models, pre-created game AI, effects, and more. Create your own 3D worlds and 3D models, set camera controllers, materials, behaviors, click publish and your game or app is ready. As Windows or Mac OS X apps, WebGL websites, or Android apps. You can do all this without programming. The engine is free, but there is also a professional edition, DLC. It adds post effects like bloom and the option to customize the splash screen logo. Sixth tool is CryEngine. CryEngine, stylized as CryEngine, is a game engine designed by the German game developer Crytek. It has been used in all of their titles, with the initial version being used in Far Cry, and continues to be updated to support new consoles and hardware for their games. It is a high-performance 3D engine. CopperCube includes manually optimized 3D engines for all supported targets, running with OpenGL, Direct3D, and WebGL. It is a simple click game system. Yes, it is also a no programming needed, whether you want to create a simple 3D game, a complex, epic adventure, or a first-person shooter. Select from lots of created behaviors and adjust them accordingly. Seventh tool is Evergen. Evergen is the only 3D graphics engine specifically designed to drive the industrial sector through immersive solutions. Evergen is a powerful component-based industrial engine developed on .NET and designed to be completely multi-platform. Evergen is easy to integrate on client industrial environments, supporting a great variety of UI technologies, and easy to adapt to new ones. We can create deep in the XR world by improving the immersion of your applications to the next level using Evergen and its VR/AR/Mr integrations. Eighth tool is Falco Engine. Falco Engine is a free game engine. You can make commercial games with no limitations. C# scripting. Falco Engine provides C# scripting ability. Falco Engine is a free game engine. You can make commercial games with no limitations. C# scripting. Falco Engine provides C# scripting ability. Falco Engine is based on OpenGL and supports GLSL shaders. User has full control on the graphics pipeline. Falco Engine provides C# scripting ability. Program your games with the powerful, wide popular and favorite programming language, Nineth Flax Engine. Flax Engine is a high-quality modern 3D game engine written in C++ and C#. From stunning graphics to powerful, a true game changer. Flax Engine has 25 repositories available. Follow their code on GitHub. It seems like a mix with Unity and Unreal Engine and has amazing documentation. Also supports C# and C++ scripting and has source code access. The 10th tool is the Forge. Forge was a third-person massively multiplayer online combat game developed and released by Dark Veil Games on December 4, 2012. The game received mixed reviews that praised its uniqueness in its gameplay and criticized a lack of imagination in its visual presentation. The Forge is also an open-source cross-platform rendering framework, the Forge framework on GitHub.